Students have joined the Open Minds, Open Hearts program for a variety of reasons. Many have found this is a good opportunity to gain skills that will benefit them in their future careers and personal lives, and this is an opportunity to understand what it's like to live with dementia.
I would say number one, it's made me a lot more confident in my skills, my approach with people living with dementia, as well as how best to communicate with them. There's a lot of witty people. They make a lot of jokes.
As a student, I would say it's so hard for me to commute. It's so hard to manage your time. So upholding these activities virtually is that I can connect with these people as well as managing my time.
When you come through the hall and they look at us and you see, oh, that's the time they're gonna come and stay with us, like, it's made me really happy, and I'm gonna continue to doing this because I can see I make a difference in their lives.
At the beginning, I was kind of nervous when I did my first session, but they were amazing. I feel like I can recharge my batteries doing that. It always gives me a huge smile, and it makes my day a lot better when I do the sessions.